Reframe every initial rejection as a data point that guides improvements and keeps momentum moving forward. When a potential client says no or goes quiet, we first document exactly what happened and what was said so patterns can emerge. Then we test small adjustments to our pitch wording and service framing to see what changes behavior. Use a simple split test by changing one element at a time, like the opening sentence or the value proposition, and follow up 3 to 5 days later with a brief, specific question to learn why they declined. Diversify outreach by combining door knocking with targeted neighborhood mailers, local community posts, and short educational workshops at community centers so you reach different decision makers. Build a repeatable outreach cadence and block time on the calendar each week for new contacts, follow-ups, and 2 referral requests from happy customers because consistency compounds. Seek mentorship from more experienced operators and swap recordings or scripts for candid feedback, and join operator forums to see real objections and responses so you do not reinvent the wheel. Maintain simple metrics you update weekly, such as number of conversations, follow-ups, presentations, and conversions, so you can pivot quickly when a tactic underperforms. Common problems include investing too heavily in a single channel and then plateauing, which you fix by reallocating effort into at least 2 different lead sources and tracking cost per appointment. Another issue is becoming defensive after rejection, which hurts follow-ups, and the remedy is to script a short, neutral follow-up question that asks for feedback and keeps the door open. A third is inconsistent outreach that leads to feast and famine, and the cure is to calendarize outreach blocks and automate simple reminders so activity does not depend on willpower alone. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find steady work through visibility and community engagement. We host a discussion community where business owners and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to help each other grow.